Okay guys, so welcome back to another Scrapping Irish video. And this one, it's something a little different. It's a little unboxing of this, which you would have seen on one of my shorts that I've done. It's an actual green screen and a few other little stuff that I got for doing my live. So as well as doing my normal gold recovery videos and stuff like that, where I'll be taking gold and stuff, trying to get gold out of these mobile phones and that carry on, and computers and boards like that and stuff like that. I also do a Monday night live. So most Monday nights, not every Monday night, but try and do most Monday nights. So as a lot of people who come into my lives will know, that I have a very blank wall behind me, and I do get a bit of a grief from a few of the guests on the show and those in the chat on about my plain wall. And so I for the Christmas I put some lights up on it, but I decided now to get a green screen and stuff. So inside of this box it says there should be a green screen, a microphone, a tripod, a video light, and a smartphone holder, and adapters and clamps. So let's have a look inside the box and see what's in it. So hopefully I'll be able to do a few green screens on the thing. So straight away I can see the actual green screen, quite heavy, quite heavy, so that's good. It doesn't feel that cheap. Some sort of clamp, some more clamps of sorts, maybe for obviously holding up the green screen. Looks like a light, not a light, it looks like a cable which could be for the light. It's got a iPhone adapter. iPhones, not a fan of the old iPhone stuff, so let's have a look and see if there's an adapter for any of the other types of phones. So let's check these. Actually, we'll come back to that in a minute. I'll just put them aside for a minute and we'll come back to them. We'll take everything out. I'm presuming that's the ring light. It is a holder, obviously for the phone, and some instructions on how to put it together, and I presume the tripod. So we'll just have a look at the tripod and let's see which side it opens from. So it opens from up this end. So fairly straightforward tripod by the looks of it. Just legs will open out down below here. If I can get the third leg out. There we go. So just opens out like that. Oh, hitting my camera. Okay, straightforward. And then we have some other little clamps and stuff that can open out. So I presume that just lets the tripod up higher. It does. And another one up here at the top. So again, we can just open that out, and that will just let the tripod out a bit more. So I'll just put that aside, and what I'll do is we'll have a look at some of the other stuff. So let's just have a look at the picture inside and see what it should look like when it's put together. So straightforward, just has your light, it has your phone holder, and it has your thing. So it's not much to it. So I'll just put that aside and just have a look. So this is the phone holder. Okay, so just straightforward grip for the phone. Unfortunately that won't fit my phone by the looks of it, so oh wait, it might do, it stretches out, sorry. So it does stretch out, so that should fit the phone if I decide to use it. We have a C connector, which is perfect for my phone, which mine is C connector. We have the little microphone. So again, you can put that on your shirt or on your t-shirt or whatever, and that way then the sound should be clearer. We'll try that out and join the lives and see will it make a difference. We have another clamp, so this I believe will clamp onto the so it's probably for the ring light or something like that, or maybe it's just for holding something else, I don't know. Or yes, I think I see now. Yeah, so that will go on there. So to hold your phone, that will clamp on, tighten that onto the pole, and then you can have your phone wherever you want it positioned. Okay, so straightforward. There's the one for the iPhone, so that can go in the bin. Oh, in the bin, I said. iPhones, my God. And these little, I don't know exactly what they're going to be used for, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. And the ring light is in here. Well, these clamps here are straightforward. So they're to clamp the green screen to a wall or pole or something like that you can erect for it, and they'll clamp the green screen behind you. So that was straightforward. Then we have the ring light. So comes with a USB lead and the light itself, and I think there was a plug adapter or something, was it? No, that's to hold the ring light. So again, that sits on the top of the, I presume that sits on the top of the tripod. There we go. So that'll just tighten onto the top of the tripod. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to put this together off camera, because you don't really need to see me putting it together, and we'll have a look at it when it's done, and we'll see what it looks like. So let's have a look. Guys, so I've put the ring light together, so you can see that's the ring light there, and then you have your little phone holder along here, and then that's the USB to connect up the ring light to put it on, and that's just, it goes down to the floor. So we'll just have a test of it. So I'll just get the thing. So again, it's just straightforward. We've on, we have minus, we have like swap or change, and then we have plus. So I'm presuming the minus and plus are for brightness, and the other one is to change the color. So we'll just switch it on. Okay, so we'll see, does it brighten up? So okay, we can brighten it well up. Okay, and let's have a look and see, can we change the color? So yeah, we can have more like natural lights and warm whites and daylight white, or whatever you want to call it. So again, we can darken them down. Okay, so that will come in handy, I suppose, for a bit of lighting on the lives. And the green screen, then everyone knows how what a green screen looks like, just a green cloth up on a wall. So I don't really need to show that, but actually, no, I don't need to show that on this video. We'll save that for a live, and we'll have a look and see how it turns out. So that's kind of it for this video, guys. So it's nothing to do with gold recovery or scrapping or anything like that, but it's to do with my lives, which is still to do with my channel. So just switch it off again. So that's it, goes back to normal light. So it's not too bad. Nice little handy thing to have for the lives, and I'll keep adding it. Again, that's, some people do give super chats every so often, and when they do this stuff like this, I'll put that money towards, which will be towards buying lighting or buying other things, buying assets for the gold recovery, stuff like that. It helps a little bit sometimes. I'm not asking for any super chats or anything like that, guys, but anyone that does do it, I do appreciate it, and we'll put it towards stuff in the channel, and that's the way I'll do it. And I'll also get some merchandise, more merchandise again, as with the money I'll get some merchandise in, and then I'll give them away in a few lives and stuff like that. So that's what I plan on doing anyhow. And guys, thanks for watching, thanks for taking the time. I really do appreciate you all taking time to watch my videos, and even these videos which have not really to do with gold recovery, just to do with my channel. I like when people take the time to watch them. So it's a bit shorter than normal videos, but thanks for watching, guys. Give it a thumbs up, and share it out if you want, and catch you on the next one.